Hello, we're going to learn how to add a listing here on the home page for one of these items under Building Department, Documents, Planning Board, Zoning Board, Village Clerk, any one of these items here. So this is the home page, and I'm going to go back and forth between the front page and then the back end dashboard. So here we are on the dashboard. So let's just assume we already have a document in the media. If you don't, you would just upload a document. You could do that just by going here. But let's see. So here is documents, and it's a listing of all documents. To add a new one, you would say add new. And when you do that, you would upload here, right? You would put in the name up here in the title. You can copy and paste the content here in this section, or just a description. And then right here, you would select a file, right? And then you could say upload files here and select a file. Or if it's already uploaded into the media directory, you can just click on it and say select. Now, I already have one created here. So what we're going to do is, and by the way, I apologize, you would say test document. And, here is the description. You would select the file. Let's just do it. Say approved or not approved. All right. So in this case, what we're going to do here under categories, we have all these different kinds, but there's a section here called Home Page Feature, and everything underneath it are the different categories there on the home page that you saw: ZBA forms, planning board documents, building department forms. If you add any one of these, it will show up. So if we just say clerk's office forms, right, and then in the end, what group is it tied to? It is tied to the clerk's office in this case. It could be more than one thing. And then it just is a form and application. So if I publish that, right, I published it, and the village clerk just has on-street parking permission, property grievance, change mail to, and filming request. If I hit refresh, this should add up here. Here we go. Test document is now on here. Obviously, I'm going to take this off. If I go to all documents, items, I'm just going to trash it. One thing I will do is add an existing document, because there is one actually on here. The zoning board has two documents here. It's missing one called zoning board application. And so if I look for that, let's see, I'm going to search for zoning. Here it is, Zoning Boards of Appeals application. And we need to add that. One trick I'm going to show you, actually, is you don't need to go into here. Since this exists in the one thing that it does, I'm going to do a quick edit here. If I go to quick edit, I can't change the content, but if it already exists, all I need to do is add the category, because it exists here. It's a document already existing under Zoning Board of Appeals. It's a form and application. It's not on the home page, right? So if I go to Zoning Board of Appeals, I'm going to see three documents here, including the Zoning Board of Appeals application, but that's not on the home page. The reason why that's not on the home page is because it doesn't have that category. So we want to show all three things on the home page here. So I'm going to go down to the categories homepage feature and say ZBA Forms Update. And if I go here and hit refresh, it should pop up here on the home page. Boom, it's there. It's easy as that.